Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. Today we are going to be playing with this product right here. Oh my god, don't look at my hands. This is a $4 eyeshadow palette. It is by the brand Essence and it is called Bronzed This Way. It's a nice, very nude, bronzy, neutral little eyeshadow palette. $4, you can't beat that. I want to test it to see if it's worth the $4 that you spend on it or if it is a complete dud. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If that is something you are interested in seeing, let's go ahead and get started. I feel like a farmer or like a cowgirl with this hair and this shirt right now. Okie dokie. My eyes have already been primed. I used my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, which is what I use all the time. And we're just gonna dive right in. There's not a lot of shades in this palette, but like that's why it's $4. They do have quite a bit of shimmers. They have some mattes. I wish there was like one more darker shade in here, but we're just gonna make do with what we have. So I'm gonna start off with this Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade in here, which is just this brown one right here, and I'm gonna focus this on my outer corner. Okay, so there's a bit of kickback. I don't know if you guys can see, which I don't care, but I just feel like I want to mention it to you guys. And I'm gonna start out here. Oh, okay. That I was not prepared for. That I definitely was not prepared for. Let's see if I can move it. Oh, I can move it. Oh, not really. Okay, so first bit of advice is don't go in with a heavy hand. This is always the mistake I make every single time. I go in with too heavy of a hand. The good thing is that it is moving. Like I am able to blend it. I know that Essence has a bunch of these, like a bunch of these $4 palettes that are different colors. There's like blue ones, green ones. I mean, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good for $4. I was not expecting this. And there's no patchiness to it. Like everything pretty much looks blended. I'm impressed so far. Okay, I'm gonna take the Sigma E25 Great Brush, one of my favorites, and I'm gonna go into this reddish brown shade right here. Okay, again, a lot of kickback, but I'm gonna be smart this time around, and I'm not gonna take a lot. I'm gonna focus this like in the middle. Okay, wow, I'm very impressed so far. I really thought that this shade was gonna melt into this one and it was gonna become just like a muddy mess, but it's not doing that. I'm gonna have to go pick up every color. I'm really taking this into the eyebrow. So as you guys can see, it does look a little bit like muddy. It's not terrible, but it does look a little bit muddy. I'm still gonna roll with it because I wanna see how these shimmers perform. I think I'm gonna use this shimmer right here. It's like a pinky rose gold kind of shimmer, and I'm gonna use that on my Morphe M421. I'm just gonna pack it on. I really am hoping that this is gonna... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. You guys see that? I'm actually gonna bring this a little bit further because I just like the way that that looks. I feel like I definitely should have used this shimmer all over the lid because it's so pretty. And I don't like have any fallout on my face either, which I'm surprised about. I mean, for $4, it really doesn't look bad at all. There are definitely other palettes that I'd take over this one, but for $4, I mean, it's really not that bad. I am gonna take this bone shade right here on a fluffy brush. This is just a Morphe M433. It's like another one of those Sigma E25s. And I'm just gonna take it like up here to kind of diffuse the edges. Make it look a little bit prettier. It doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look terrible. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my other eye really quick. Did all the same steps and everything. I'm just adding that bone shade to diffuse it. And there's just something about this palette that I don't love. I think it's great, and I think it's definitely worth $4, and there's nothing like bad that I can say about it, but there's just something about the shades that I don't like. Let me just clean it up first before I even say anything more, because that's usually where my opinions change, is after I see the final product and I'm like, okay, I actually just am a messy person, and that's why I hated the shadow. So let me actually just clean it up really quick. Yeah, I don't know, there's something about it that I don't love it, but it's not a bad palette. Like the shadows perform really well. I actually am very surprised at how well they performed. And the shimmers, I mean, even if you get it for the shimmers alone, they pack a mean punch, a very mean punch. What do you guys think? Maybe you think that the eye look looks good and I'm just being in my head right now and I'm just saying things that I don't actually mean. It's hard because my eyes are also like two different shapes, so everything looks like wrong. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and then come back and we can revisit my feelings on this eyeshadow palette. Maybe with some lashes and stuff, I'll finally see the full picture and be like, okay, this is actually not that bad. So let me go and do that right now and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, you guys, so here is the final look. And I must say, I was definitely wrong about this eyeshadow palette. Now that everything is said and done and all of my makeup is finished, I do really love the way that it turned out. For $4, this is such a little gem. It's such a fantastic little palette. And I was so surprised with how well the shadows performed. I mean, do you guys see those shimmers? How freaking gorgeous is that? I feel like I used an Anastasia palette on my eyes. Like, I feel like that's how it looks. I definitely want to try out some of the other shades that Essence has in these little palettes. I feel like there could be a lot of other gems. If you're someone who's just starting out with makeup, or if you're someone who wants to not spend a lot of money on palettes, I definitely recommend buying this one. It's the perfect amount of shades, it's the perfect price, and there's a little mirror in it. My fingerprints are all over it. But it's perfect. I mean, I feel like this is something personally that I would throw in my bag because I'm always out and my boyfriend's always like, hey, let's go out. And I'm like, hey, I don't have any makeup on, so I really don't want to do that. So I feel like this is the perfect thing to throw in my bag because it's nice and small and I can use it wherever and whenever. The shimmers in here, I'm really excited to try out some of these other shimmers in here. I feel like this one is so pretty. I definitely want to try out the other shades that are in here. But I love the way it turned out. Definitely a hidden gem. If you have not heard about these Essence $4 eyeshadow palettes, go to your local drugstore, go to your local Ulta and pick one of them up and test them out. Like I said, the one that I have is the bronzed this way. It's just a very neutral one, but I know that they have greens, blues, red, purples. Like they have so many different ones that I 100% want to try out. So that is it for today's tutorial, you guys. I hope that you all enjoyed. Definitely go check this palette out. Definitely worth your money. Make sure if you have not already that you are subscribed and that you hit the little bell so you're always notified whenever I put out a new video. And that is it. Hope that you all enjoyed and I will see you all in my next one.